With about 4 kilos of laundry, several pieces of blouse, t-shirts, and blankets, pillows, weighing more or less 4.5 kilos with just 250 ml of the finished. We start pouring in all the color coats. As you wash along, the suds becomes thicker and thicker, and the water becomes soil. So you can see the dark color in the water while doing the laundry. Okay, now after this we're going to pick up maybe the bed sheets and leave all the pants and the towels at the end. Little squeezing of the laundry is enough. Next to go is bed sheet. Bed sheet first and pillows. The 125 ml of the homemade liquid detergent is enough to wash this type of clothes when it's not so soiled, or it doesn't have stain so much. If you find that the suds becomes lesser, you may add another 125 ml in order to have it totally clean. Here we add another 125 ml to combat the stain and to make it more efficient. Put it on a separate pail. Okay. And look at the colors. It becomes so bright. The blue becomes bluish blue, super blue, and the yellow becomes sparkling yellow. Red becomes more red, and the colorful blankets becomes more colorful. The water becomes more soiled, and you can see how stain goes, color stains. So how many quantity of detergent you're going to apply on different laundry is based on how dirty your clothes are. So we start. As long as it creates suds, we continue to wash it. Now this time we put the two maong pants and pink blue coat. Let it spin. Because there appears some more suds, so we added more laundry, and it's still wet. You see, as long as you spin it, the suds becomes thicker and start to work out this anti-stain, anti-odor, and the greasing job. See how dirty the water is. We just want the first rinsing. It continues to remove stain as you continue to rinse. The yellow becomes yellow, the red and the colorful blankets, the white portion of the blankets are white, becomes even more whiter. And first of all, when you smell it, nice smell. What more can you ask? These are the extra clothes we added after we wash our first box. It's the second rinsing. You see how soiled the water are? It means Zena removes stain quickly. These are the laundries that we have made a while ago using 250 ml of Zena liquid detergent. So we have the blankets, bed sheets, and bed sheets and pillows, 3 pants, maong pants, 7 blouses, 1 blanket, and several, spending only about 6 pesos worth of Zena liquid detergent.
The XR reconstruction.
Maya, 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 Maya,